So over here you can see that I have some objects, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and hide this object right here, and I'm just going to go around and lock this object right here, and I'm going to go around, hide this, and then hide this, and then log this right here. So I'm just going to go around, hide this object as well. So you can see certain objects over here just like this. But let's say what I want to do is I want to unlock and show all the objects that there are on this particular project. In that case, what you can simply do is you can go around and right click over here and click on show all objects, and all of the objects that were hidden get shown out, as you can see. Similarly, you can go around and unlock all objects as well, and all of the objects right here gets unlocked, as you can see right here. So if there's certain objects that are logged and certain objects that are hidden, and to show all of them, you can simply go around and right click and show and hide all of the objects right here. So you can simply go around and then lock it. So this is logged, as you can see right here. So you don't need to worry about just going around and manually unlocking it, but you can simply unlock all objects, and whatever objects has been logged get unlocked and unhidden as you select that. So that is how you can unlock and show all objects inside of Vectr. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.